Spiders are unique creatures and true friends of farmers. Unlike harmful insects that damage crops, spiders act as natural predators, feeding on caterpillars, aphids, beetles, grasshoppers, and other destructive pests. Without needing fertilizers or machinery, they silently protect fields and save farmers from economic losses. While chemical insecticides cost millions and pests develop resistance, spiders adapt naturally with diverse hunting strategies.
Spiders, the silent heroes of nature, are the most abundant natural predators in agro-ecosystems worldwide, sustaining balance and productivity. In the early light of dawn, when dewdrops cling delicately to thin threads of silk, a hidden world comes alive. The world of spiders. For centuries, spiders have been misunderstood, feared, and often killed at sight. Yet behind their mysterious eight-legged appearance lies one of nature's greatest allies. They are not destroyers but protectors, not pests but guardians of balance. Today, we will journey deep into the life of spiders, to uncover their role as natural predators, crop protectors, survivors, and even contributors to medicine and technology. Spiders belong to the class Arachnida, and with over 50,000 known species worldwide, they rank as the 7th largest group of animals in biodiversity. From rainforests to deserts, mountain peaks to our own backyards, spiders have conquered every corner of the earth. Their diversity in form, behavior, and ecological role makes them a true wonder of evolution. They weave their survival stories across habitats, forming an invisible yet crucial part of ecosystems. Spiders are natural-born hunters. Unlike herbivorous insects that damage plants and crops, spiders are strictly carnivores, feeding on insects and other small arthropods. With only a few exceptions that nibble on nectar, their primary diet consists of pests that otherwise would destroy fields and gardens. In fact, it is estimated that spiders kill more pest insects than they actually consume, a kind of over-control that maintains ecological balance. Imagine a paddy field or a cotton farm swarming with caterpillars, aphids, or grasshoppers. Now picture an army of spiders silently working, catching, and killing those pests. Without demanding fertilizer or fuel, without leaving behind pollution, spiders act as nature's own pest management team. Most spiders are obligate carnivores. They stalk, ambush, or trap their prey using diverse hunting strategies. Web builders construct intricate silk traps to ensnare flying insects, while ground hunters like wolf spiders chase and overpower prey with agility. Web builders construct intricate silk traps to ensnare flying insects, while ground hunters like wolf spiders chase and overpower prey with agility. Jumping spiders, with their remarkable vision, leap onto unsuspecting insects like skilled athletes. The diversity of feeding strategies makes spiders effective in controlling a wide range of pest species. A few species, like Bagheera kiplingi, break the rule and feed partially on plant nectar or pollen. Yet this is rare. More than 99% of spider species are committed carnivores. Modern agriculture faces two major challenges: rising insect resistance to pesticides and environmental damage caused by chemical overuse. Here, spiders emerge as silent allies. They prey on leafhoppers, planthoppers, aphids, caterpillars, beetles, and many other crop-damaging insects. Unlike chemical pesticides, spiders never allow pests to develop resistance. Their hunting strategies are adaptive, evolving with time. By reducing pest populations, spiders indirectly protect yields and minimize the need for insecticides. This eco-friendly service contributes to sustainable agriculture, cutting costs for farmers while protecting the environment. One of the most fascinating aspects of spiders is that they provide all these benefits without harming plants. Unlike locusts, beetles, or caterpillars, spiders never chew leaves, suck sap, or bore into stems. Their relationship with plants is non-destructive, sometimes even beneficial, as plants gain protection from the insects that spiders devour. Studies show that spiders kill significantly more pests than they need for food. This surplus killing behavior means they suppress insect populations beyond their own nutritional requirements. While a single spider may consume hundreds of insects in a season, the indirect effect on crop protection is even larger. This makes them efficient natural biocontrol agents. Spiders are also remarkable survivors. During food shortages, they can reduce their metabolic rate, fast for long periods, or switch hunting strategies. Some species even eat smaller spiders to survive tough times. This resilience ensures that spider populations persist in fields year after year, ready to control pests when insect outbreaks occur. Unlike chemical sprays that vanish after application, spiders are a living, self-renewing defense system. If farmers recognize the role of spiders, the use of harmful insecticides can be minimized. Not only does this reduce production costs, but it also prevents chemical pollution of soil, water, and air. Encouraging spider populations through conservation-friendly practices, like reducing pesticide spraying, maintaining vegetation strips, and creating habitats, can help promote natural pest suppression. In the long run, this is the path towards sustainable agriculture. Spiders also carry untapped potential in medicine. While the word venom sounds frightening, it is actually a treasure of bioactive compounds. Spider venom contains peptides and proteins that affect nerve signals, ion channels, and pain pathways. Scientists are exploring these molecules for developing new medicines. For instance, components of spider venom are being studied as painkillers, treatments for neurological disorders, and even potential cancer therapies. Their precision and effectiveness make them valuable templates for drug design. What was once feared as deadly is now being reimagined as life-saving. If venom is a hidden treasure, spider silk is an open marvel. Stronger than steel yet lighter than cotton, spider silk has fascinated scientists and engineers for decades. Spiders use silk to spin webs, protect eggs, line burrows, and even travel by ballooning through the air. For humans, spider silk has immense potential in biotechnology. It can be used for making biodegradable sutures, artificial ligaments, lightweight armor, and even futuristic textiles. Its elasticity and tensile strength are unmatched in the natural world. With advances in genetic engineering, scientists are now producing artificial spider silk using bacteria and yeast, opening new doors for sustainable materials. Throughout history, spiders have been symbols of patience, creativity, and resilience. In African folklore, the trickster Anansi is a spider. In Greek mythology, Arachne's weaving skills rivaled those of Athena. In literature, characters like Charlotte and Charlotte's Web have portrayed spiders as protectors and friends. Even though fear dominates our everyday perception, cultures worldwide have long recognized spiders as symbols of wisdom and persistence. Despite their usefulness, many people fear spiders, a condition known as arachnophobia. This fear often arises from their unusual appearance: 8 legs, many eyes, and silent movement. But the truth is, most spiders are harmless to humans. Out of thousands of species, only a handful pose any danger, and even those rarely attack unless provoked. Educating people about the ecological role of spiders is essential to replace fear with respect. As the world struggles with food security, environmental pollution, and climate change, spiders offer natural solutions. By conserving them, we can reduce pesticide use, promote biodiversity, and explore new medicines and materials. Protecting spider habitats, encouraging their presence in farms, and supporting research on their silk and venom can transform them from feared creatures into celebrated allies. Protecting spider habitats, encouraging their presence in farms, and supporting research on their silk and venom can transform them from feared creatures into celebrated allies. Spiders are not villains of nature, but its silent guardians. They weave webs that trap not only insects but also lessons for humanity. Lessons of patience, resilience, and balance. They protect crops, preserve ecosystems, inspire medicine, and gift us with materials of the future. All they ask in return is coexistence. So, the next time you see a spider weaving its delicate web in a corner, remember, it is not just spinning silk, it is spinning hope. Hope for greener fields, healthier ecosystems, and a sustainable future.